Hello everyone, my name is Chrissy. I have something that I really wanted to share with you guys because it's something that you don't see a lot of. We have done unboxing videos and whatnot before with mint boxes, but this specific mint box is really cool. So this is what your Armenian Noah's Arks come in. So this is actually a wooden box, and it's strapped with the security straps. Sorry if the camera bounces. This box is very heavy, so it does tend to kind of move anything it's on. And it has this silver seal in the center. Very cool. Absolutely love this. Let me go ahead and open this for you. So, let me see here. Also on the side, you have this, I was looking at that, tells you exactly how many are in it and whatnot. Let me go ahead and open this. Boop. Really cool. I love sharing all these things with everyone. And you learn something new and get to see something cool you don't see every day. I'm going to go ahead and pull these straps off. And get them out of the way. Let's get into this. Okay. All right, once you open it, like I said, there's the silver seal on the front of it. Very cool. It is wooden. Very cool. I absolutely love these boxes. And it has the certificate of authenticity in there as well. From the mint directly. Really cool. And here are all of your coins. So I'm going to go ahead and open one of these just so that you can see. Go ahead, peel that off, set it aside. I'm going to grab a glove. All right. These are 2022s. And go ahead. Hard to get a grip on that when you got the glove on the other hand. So let me go ahead and there. So here we go. As you can see, very beautiful coins. So the Noah Ark is one of the coins that features some of the most superior minting. Very beautiful. Here you see the image of a dove flying with an olive branch, with Noah's Ark in the background in front of the Mount Ararat. That's what it is. Mount Ararat. Very cool. These are from the Geiger Mint in Germany. Really cool. Here's the other side. You have the coat of arms of Armenia, as well as the denomination. Really cool, super reflective coins. Absolutely love these. Just wanted to share this with you. I thought it was really cool. I mean, you have this Noah's Ark, this giant wooden ship, and the box that they send these out in is a giant wooden box. Really cool. Definitely love sharing this with you. Until next time, have a fantastic day.